Hello, class. I wanted you to see that my fashion designing skills have gone nicely with our math lessons. I'm supporting my newest look called Math I Can Statement Dress. Thank you. Thank you. Hope you all appreciate it. Hope none of you are losing your mind during quarantine like your teacher is. Just kidding. But really, I miss you guys. I'm so excited to do math with you. So let's do it. 12.9, only 2 lessons left. All right. We are doing elapse time. So yesterday we got to do units of time, and we're trying to figure out conversions. Today we're going to do elapse time. So if any of you have tried to figure out, oh my gosh, how much time is between first recess and lunch, or how much time is between lunch and last recess, or how much time is between last recess and going home, right? This is exactly what we're doing. This is the problem-solving ability. So our I can today is I can solve time problems. Woo! So we are talking about time problems today. Hopefully you can say that excitedly. UTP. You and your sibling, unless you don't have one, maybe Lauren, your dog, or your parents, whoever. You and your sibling spent 1 hour and 35 minutes doing yard work. Ooh, that's a long time doing yard work. You stop at 1:20 p.m. When did you start? So let's start by circling what's important. We spent 1 hour and 35 minutes doing yard work, and you stop at 1:20 p.m. So we want to figure out when we started. So in order to do this problem, we need to work backwards, okay? So, oh, this dress is not going down. All right. If we are starting at 1:20, we need to go backwards 1 hour and 35 minutes to see what time we started. So I think the easiest way to do this is to split up 1 hour and 35 minutes into 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 5 minutes. So I just separated all these numbers out. So if we went back 1 hour, just 1 hour from 1:20, what time would we be? What's a whole hour before 1:20? I think, 1:20, we go back up to 12:20. All right, now we need to go back from 12:20. 12:20, we need to go back 30 minutes, okay? So this is a little hard, because if we go back 20 minutes, we're at 12, right? But we need to go back 30 minutes. So if we go back 10 minutes, 12, 10, go back 20 minutes, 12, and go back another 10 minutes for 30 minutes, we'd be at 11:50. All right, and then we need to go back one more time, 5 minutes. So if we go back 5 minutes from 50, 50 minus 5, we're going to be at 11:45. So we started yard work at 11:45 a.m. So let's make sure we got that right? So let's add it back. 11:45 plus 5, 11:50. Then at 11:50, add 30 minutes. That'd be 12, 12:10, 12:20. And then 1 hour from 12:20 is 1:20. So we did it right. So you got to think backwards on those when they give you an end time, and you have to figure out the start time. So, all right, we got the first one down. Let's try another one. There's no back to I mean, I guess we could add this. Maybe we could make this the rest of the dress. Hang on, guys. Artist progress. Yeah, see? Now we got it back to our dress. Fabulous. All right. Let's look at our few examples. Today we only have 3 examples because a lot of time working backwards is just going slow and figuring it out. So when we go forwards, it's actually easier than when we go backwards. So, example 1. Brigham started riding his bike at 10:05 a.m. So I'm going to circle 10:05 a.m. because that's what's important. So he stopped 23 minutes later. What time did he stop? So we're trying to figure out what time he stopped, not when he started, what time he stopped. So if he started at 10:05 and he rode his bike for 23 minutes, we're going to be adding 23 minutes. Okay? So let's just add 10:05 plus 23 minutes. 5 plus 3 is 8. 0 plus 2 is 2. We bring down our 10. So Brigham must have stopped riding his bike at 10:28 a.m. We just added 23 minutes to our time. That one was simple. All right, let's do another example. Example number 2. Jada's dance class lasted 1 hour and 15 minutes and was over at 12:45 a.m. That should be. All right. When did it start? All right, so her dance class lasted 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's super important. And it was over at 12:45 a.m. We want to figure out what time it started. Okay, so this is one of those where we, hopefully that didn't get cut out for too long. This is one of those where we are going backwards in time. So we have to start at our ending time. So it ended at 12:45. So if we are ending at 12:45, we want to get back to when did it start. So we have 1 hour and 15 minutes. So first we have to look at the 1 hour, okay? So what is 1 hour before 12:45? So 1 hour before 12 is 11:45. We don't have to change the minutes because we're just looking at the hours. So before 12 is 11. Then we have 15 minutes. So what is 15 minutes before 11:45? So we could also subtract 15 minutes from 11:45. That'd be 0, that'd be 3. So that would be 11:30. So Jada's dance class must have started at 11:30. So let's see if that's right. What's 11:30 plus an hour and 15 minutes? 11:30 plus an hour is 12:30 plus 15 minutes is 30 plus 15 is 45, 12:45. See, we're just thinking backwards. We started our ending time, and then we go back an hour, and we went back 15 minutes. All right, let's do the last one. This one's pretty simple. So if we started any activity at 8:06 a.m., and what would be 35 minutes later? So we're trying to figure out later. So we start at 8:06, and we want 35 minutes later. What happens 35 minutes later? We're going to be adding it because more time has passed. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry that. 3 plus 1 is 4. Bring down our 8. So that must mean whatever this activity was, 35 minutes later is 8:41 a.m. So, super simple, not too complex. Maybe it is. If it is, no worries. I'm here to support you. If you need me, please just message me. I'm here for you. I miss you like crazy. I cannot wait to see you so I can stop designing I Can statement dresses. So, see you next time. Bye, guys.